Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and wanted to give the main page of a Microsoft Windows release page where you have all sorts of information about the different versions of Windows 10 that are released, so how to get the latest version and so on. But you also have in here all sorts of information because as you know, some of you are blocked from getting the latest versions because of different problems, including the most famous one that people have right now is the Conexant audio, HD audio drivers that are incompatible. So you could have all sorts of information in this page. This is the release page, which is, they're calling this the release help page. So all the information you might need is in here. Plus at the bottom you have the different information, including the known issues of every version of Windows 10. So if you want to have information, it's all in here. There's links to all of the information you might need. So this is information that could be useful. For example, how to plan or prepare to deploy updates for Windows 10, frequently asked questions of Windows lifecycle, all sorts of basic information that could be useful for some of you. So I thought I'd share the page. This is fairly new. The release help page has been now incorporated within the main download page of Windows 10. At the top, they have a blue line. Well, that blue information here, and they're asking, well, you know, if you want to make sure that the release information and all is, if you want to make sure that you can install it, if there's no blockers, if there's no issues, well, click here, and it brings you to this page actually. So I'll share this page with you guys in the description below the video. You can go and check it out. There's a lot of information in here. Maybe some of it could be helpful for some of you. And of course, you'll have all the latest issues. So for example, the known issues, if they add stuff, you'll have that information here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.